Question number 5, A part. In the figure, PB and QA are perpendiculars to the line segment AB. If PO is equal to 6 cm and QO is equal to 9 cm, and the area of triangle POB is equal to 120 cm square, find the area of triangle QAO. Given PO is equal to 6 cm and QO is equal to 9 cm, area of triangle POB is equal to 120 cm square. In triangle QOA and triangle POB, QOA and triangle POB, angle QOA is equal to angle POB vertically opposite angle, and angle A is equal to angle B is 90 degree by angle similarity triangle QOA is similar to triangle POB. Then area of triangle QOA divided by area of triangle POB is equal to QO square upon PO square, and we have given area of triangle POB, area of triangle QOA divided by area of triangle POB is 120 is equal to QO square 9 raised to power 2 divided by PO square 6 raised to power 2, which implies area of triangle QOA divided by 120 is equal to 81 upon 36. 9 9s are 81 and 6 6 are 36. Area of triangle QOA is equal to 120 multiplying 81, 81 into 120 divided by 36. 9 4s are 36, 9 9s are 81. 4 ones are 4 and 34s are 120. So we get area of triangle QOA is equal to 9 3s are 27, 270 centimeter square. Answer. Given PO is equal to 6 centimeter, QO is equal to 9 centimeter, and area of triangle POB is equal to 120 centimeter square. In triangle QOA and triangle POB, angle QOA is equal to angle POB, that is vertically opposite angle, and angle A is equal to angle B, each 90 degree. By angle similarity, triangle QOA is similar to triangle POB. We know that the ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of square of two corresponding side, that is equal to area of triangle QAO upon area of triangle POB is equal to QO square upon PO square, which implies area of triangle QOA upon 120 is equal to 9 square upon 6 square, that is 81 upon 6, 6 are 36, and cross multiplying 81 into 120 divided by 36, 9 nines are 81 and 9 fours are 36, 4 ones are 4 and 34s are 120, 9 into 30, that is equal to 270 centimeter square. So area of triangle QOA is equal to 270 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 5b. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC. OA is equal to 10 centimeter, OC is equal to 5 centimeter, AB is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and OD is equal to 2.8 centimeter. Prove that triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD. Find CD and OB. Third, find the ratio of triangle OAB and triangle OCD. Solution. In triangle OAB and triangle OCD, OAB and triangle OCD, angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angle. Angle BAO is equal to angle OCD. Alternate angle. By angle similarity, triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD. First part, prove. And second, find CD and OB. OA upon OC is equal to AB upon CD, which implies OA is 10 centimeter and OC is 5 centimeter and AB is 6.5 centimeter divided by CD, which implies 10 CD is equal to 6.5 into 5, which implies CD is equal to 6.5 into 5 divided by 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. CD is equal to 6.5 upon 2, that is 3 twos are 6 point, 2 twos are 4, 10, 5 twos are 10. We get CD is equal to 3.25 centimeter. So OA upon OC is equal to BO upon OD, which implies 10 upon 5 is equal to BO is 2.8, which implies which is divisible by 2, and BO is equal to 2 into 2.8. BO is equal to 8 twos are 16, 2 twos are 4, 5.6 centimeter. Answer. And third part, find the ratio of triangle. Ratio of triangle OAB upon triangle OCD. Area of triangle OAB upon area of triangle OCD, that is equal to OA square upon OC square. We know that the ratio of triangle, we know that the ratio of triangle OAB, and we know that the area, we know that the ratio of, we know that the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of square of two corresponding sides, that is OA square upon OC square, which implies area of triangle OAB upon area of triangle OCD is equal to 10 square, that is 100 upon 5 5s are 25, which is divisible by 4. 25 fours are 100 and 25 ones are 25. So we get, which implies area of triangle OAB upon area of triangle OCD is equal to 4:1. Answer. In triangle OAB and triangle OCD, angle OAB is equal to angle AOB is equal to angle COD vertically opposite, and angle BAO is equal to angle OCD, that is alternate angle. By angle similarity, triangle OAB is similar to triangle OCD. And second part, OA upon OC is equal to AB upon CD. OA is 10 and OC is 5, AB is 6.5, and we want to find the value of CD, that is CD into 10, 10 CD multiplying 6.5 and 5. Then CD is equal to 6.5 multiplied by 5 divided by 10. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 6.5 divides 2, that is 3.25 centimeter. CD is equal to 3.25 centimeter. Answer. And OA upon OC is equal to BO upon DO. Then we find the value of BO, that is 5 2s are 10, 2 multiplied by 2.8, that is equal to 5.6 centimeter. Answer. And third part, area of triangle OAB upon area of triangle OCD, we want to find the ratio of triangle OAB and triangle OCD, that is side square. Side OA square upon OC square. OA is 10, 10 square is 100, and OC is 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 1s are 25, and 25 4s are 100. Then area of triangle OAB upon area of triangle OCD is equal to 4:1. Answer. Thank you.